Hi, I'm back. Brought the truck, got a load of stuff. Had to rescue the dogs. I don't know where baby went. We got here and the rainwater pump was running, but it wasn't doing anything. So I checked it all out and found the filter to be full. Baby's missing, so I'm going to have to go find him. I don't know where he went. So here we go. Okay, before I start dragging stuff in, I found baby. He was out back hiding. There's the filter that I took out of the water pump, and it's clogged. So I need to get some new filters. Everything here was working the way it was supposed to. It was pumping away, but it wasn't pumping anything. So I need to devise some kind of a fail-safe on that. And let's look in the tank. It looked like we got some water before it plugged. It was up quite a bit from where it was when we left. That's going to give us another foot. Well, more than that. It's going to give us quite a bit more water. I'm happy. We need all the water we can get. Around here is still a little bit moist. It really rained a couple days ago, yesterday, as a matter of fact. But I don't need to go back out there anymore, so I'm going to hook this fence back up. You guys, that thing will bite you, so don't get bit. Alright, I need to unload the truck. I'll be back. At the Ruidoso, Mexico bike thing. A lot of bikes are still coming in. I think most of them are lost, can't find their way. Kind of hard to get in here with parking, I'll tell you. Alright, back to work. A few more bikes have come in. It's a busy place. It's hard to walk through their tent. It's so packed. So I'm out of here. I'll be back. I couldn't tell if it was recording or not. I just noticed something's missing. Oh, there it is. I'm going to put this license plate somewhere. I don't know where yet, but it should be right here. Now this license plate is rusty. It's a 1928 New Mexico plate. Found it here on the property. But that's rust. It's caused by oxidation. Oxidation is caused by oxygen. We breathe oxygen all the time. Some people say we need it to live. But if it's doing that to a piece of metal, if oxygen is doing that to a piece of metal, can you imagine what it's doing to our lungs? Maybe we should be focusing more on doing away with oxygen rather than carbon dioxide. That's terrible. I think I'm just going to stop breathing. We don't need all that oxygen, I guess. It's tearing up our lungs. But I got to get the truck unloaded. And I got all these bricks in it. There's quite a few bricks, about 30 or 40. 30, I think. And get some of the other stuff out of here. But then I'm going to go to town and buy some wood and start doing some serious work. So it's good to be back. I think I'm going to get this one published and start on another. Bye. I got all those bricks out. There was enough to do this whole wall. I'm not going to do everything like that. I'm just going to do the back and the two sides. The front is going to stay the way it is, I think. I got the trailer hooked up and everything off the trailer except that drywall. And going to head out, go to town and get some wood. So we might have a firing range pretty quick, and going to put a couple cameras out there by the weather station. So I'll be back. Okay. Went and got a whole bunch of wood to work on the bedroom. Want to extend that. Oh no. I hope he doesn't come through the screen. What a dog. Hi, Shellbot. Anyhow, we went and got a whole bunch of wood, and it's all on the trailer. That's for a couple different things. Been out flying the drone, trying to figure out where to put a firing range. That angle right there is a good candidate. And down here from that yucca plant, the same direction is a good candidate. And I really think the best candidate is out here on the east side of the house. But got to build a backstop and all that cool stuff. But that one right there is real good. We'll figure it out. But yeah, that drone, I upgraded it last night. It's a unique Typhoon H. And it became a lot more fun. It seems like it's faster. It's right there on the deck. It seems a lot faster. It just works better all the way around. I made several drone videos trying to make sure there's no houses or anything like that where we're going to put it. I wonder if there's anything up in the bat house. Haven't seen anything up there yet. I can't really tell. It's too dark. Anyhow, that's what I'm doing. Sun's going down. So, I kind of want to make one more video, but the batteries are charging. Need to go get more batteries for that thing. It's fun now. Alright, we'll be back.